man, stop sleeping with young ladies. Married woman, stop sleeping with young boys. You have married, stay away from adultery. Mr. Man, you call yourself a Christian. You have married and you still have girlfriend. You call yourself a Christian, you have married man, but you still have girlfriend. On Sunday you go to church and pay your tithe and pay your offering. I want to ask you, who taught you that? Is it from Christ or from Satan? Christ said to you, and now you have married, don't go to another woman. But Satan said to you, now you have married, you are free to sleep with any woman you want, and you follow the instruction of Satan. You are following the footsteps of Satan. Young man, repent from your sin. Young lady, you have married. Married woman, but you still have boyfriend. You still have boyfriend. You go secret and meet your boyfriend in hotel. You go secret and meet your boyfriend. I want to ask, what kind of Christianity are you people practicing? Abomination in this generation. Some of the ladies, some of the women, married women, some of their sons and their daughters, no be their husband born it. Now other man give them pregnant. What kind of abomination is this? And some of married men have children outside marriage. They married their wife, they go around sleeping with other girls, have sons and daughters outside. What kind of abomination is this? And what kind of Christianity are we practicing? Man, listen to me. If you die in your sin, you are going to hellfire. Young woman, listen to me. If you die in your sin, you are going to hellfire. No amount of pastor, no amount of general overseer, no amount of reverend father, no amount of bishop that will come the day they will bury you, no amount of their prayer will make you to go to heaven. Repent from your sin. Married woman, come out from your iniquity. Married woman, stop sleeping with other men because you have married. Young man, you have married, stay away from other girls. Abomination. What kind of Christianity this generation are practicing? And on Sunday, you go to church, you receive Holy Communion, you pay your tithe, you pay your offering. Go to hell with your offering. God did not accept all this your offering. No matter the charity organization that you have, no matter whether you help the poor, whether you help the needy, whether you help the widows, as